distributing money in southern ward. So आम्ही फकत पळोवंक गेले, आम्ही कसले कंप्लेन करूंक ना. जेन्ना तेमी गमले आमी पळयता म्हणून तेमी फ्लायींग स्क्वॉडाक फोन मारले सांगपाक की आमी कॅनवसिंग वता म्हणून. म्हणजे आमकां काडपाक थिंगाच्यान तेंकां डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करपाचें. तेणे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून कोणें केला न्हू, आय एम फॉरगिविंग हिम बिकॉज this is a land period of 40 days land period, and now Jesus Christ says forgive everybody. So I've forgiven the government, I've forgiven the officers, I've forgiven my opponent also. People of Panjim will give the reply. You all know Surendra Prasad has never been a minister, he has not been chairman of anything. I was a mayor. For mayor I was begging and bringing trucks, mulcher machine and other thing. Do I have money to spend? तुम्ही म्हाका सगळे फोन मारताले मरे आम चॅनलाक एडवर्टायजमेंट दी हें दी न्यूज पेपर एडवर्टायजमेंट आमी दिला दिवं ना.
एंटिसिपेटर केला.
माय लॉयर विल हँडल इट.
Sir, your opponent, they are claiming that they're going to sweep all the seats. What about you? What do you think?
My opponent for last 15 years I've been saying he's sweeping 30 seats. झाले ते आहे ना तसे म्हणजे पणजेचे लोक असेच आहा मरे न्हू. हांवें केन्ना म्हणूंक ना की आमी 30 जिखतले म्हणून. आमी म्हणलां आमकां पॅनल फॉर्म करपाक पणजे रूल करपाक तितकेच आमकां मेळटले म्हणून. पळय डिलिमिटेशन पळय पाहिजे जालां न्हू. वॉर्ड नंबर 10 म्हाजो. आमचे सगळे हाय क्लास ब्राह्मिन्स, Catholics, affluent Shade community, affluent Muslims, all are very analysis. There was not a single OBC family. तेमी कितें केलें, हांव उबो रावंक जायना म्हणून तेमी टोंकाची हाडल्यांनी मिरामार घातले, OBC केलो. हांवें कितें केलें मागीर, तुजो नांव व्हडलो चाणक्य. हांवें मॅकॅनिकल इंजिनियर आनी टिचर बाय प्रोफेशन तेजे OBC सर्टिफिकेट ताका बसयलो आनी ताका हांव निवडून हाडटा. दुसरो म्हाजो वॉर्ड कितें केलो, जनरल आर्ट पळय केला न्हू, 600 कितें आमचे वॉर्डांतले हाडले. आनी कशें केलें तेमी, कोण पळय मेल्या, कोण पळय भायर आसा, कमलें न्हू, ती तेमी सिलेक्शन केलां. आनी अरावंड 600 and समथींग मायग्रंट वर्कर्स घातले. म्हणजे वेर दे कॅन पोर मनी एंड दिस थिंग. आय ऑल द टायम आय सेड हांव रावना म्हणून. आय केप एवरीबडी गेस. So my good friend from BJP said, this is a good area for you. It is a boundary of your Miramar. They know everything. Angarao.
Sir, if you see, we have seen many years in this election, CCP.
Yeah.
If you compare this election and previous election, whoever is your opponent, what do you think? What is the difference between them?
This is the worst.
It's the worst.
I will tell you, my friend, I was canvassing in one of the flats in Pai Bhawan. There's a Muslim family. Husband and wife are for me. I couldn't get her. People of Goa should know. Husband and wife are for me. 2 sons are for ward number 7, and daughter is ward number 8. So in one flat, you will get 3 corporators. This is what they have done. It is shame on them. They have no guts to fight our panel. This is what they have done, and people of Panjim will reply to them because they have confused everybody. This is not called democracy. Fight properly. You got the money, you have been in power, fight. They small people. आम्ही धाकटे मनीस, आम्ही गरीब मनीस. कळ्ळें न्हू. आमकडे कितें ताकद आहा ती आमी झगडटा, पण आमी पयशांनी झगडना केन्ना. कित्याक आमकडे पयशे नाच जाल्यार. कळ्ळें न्हू. थँक्यू.